Hello YouTube, welcome back to another garage video. And today we are back, we have a Genie 3, we have 23055 garage opener. We'll run the big door first. Part of the door's not engaged. Let's try that again. Now we just have here's the 3055. Here are programmed to these two doors. It's also got, just got focus. Just got focus here. It's got this here. Got a warning on the back. Try out here. Nice and quiet. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful doors. Run this down here. Now we're gonna record the small door. It's got the same 3055. And also this is nice and quiet. Here we go. Wow, nice and quiet. Now from the outside. Put back up. Now we will run it down here. Now, I'm gonna do a manual test to make sure it is wiggly. Now, yeah, check it out. It's just got a big light over here. Okay, I just shut those two lights off, and this is actually quiet when I lift the door up and down. Check it out. You not hear anything. It's self-re-engaged. We'll just run the door up and down. Alright, we're gonna run this one more time. Just get over there. Let me just run this door up one more time. This one. there. There's a trolley there. Watch the spring there. It doesn't even pop anymore. Now let's take a picture of the top of the shaft. Now watch this down here. That metal rod just keeps turning up and down. That's really cool. It's got wires here. Now you'll see the big one looks like. But I'm not sure it's got the same rod turned up. Let's just turn the door up. Now we're gonna do a reverse test. Sorry, I just got sneeze. Okay. So reverse test here. Works very good. Then let her open her zip plate 10 times. Now we're gonna run this door down. Pretty cool. Watch this stop midway. Oh, hold on. Now watch I stop the door midway. Usually doors reverse when they doors. Some doors go up when they are stopped and move, but this one looks like it just stops. It's just like a door stop button. Now just get this down. Alright, we'll shut this door, and that'll be it. Here we go. Oh. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.